Hello, participants. Actually, yeah, Tuesday evening, it's a wonderful evening, right? Yeah. So, yeah, இன்னைக்கு ஒரு செஷன் வந்து ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான டாபிக்கா இருக்கும். ஆக்சுவலா எனக்கே வந்து இந்த டாபிக் வந்து இப்பதான் வந்து ரொம்ப இந்த பேரை பார்த்துட்டு இப்பதான் வந்து நெட்லயே வந்து டைப் பண்ணி பார்த்துக்கோங்களேன். ஏன்னா அவ்வளவு நியூவான டாபிக் அது எனக்கு. ஸோ என்ன மாதிரி இங்க கொஞ்சம் பேருக்கு இந்த டாபிக் வந்து நியூவா இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்றேன். ஸோ இன்னைக்கு ஒரு புது விஷயத்த கத்துக்க போறோம் அப்படின்றது ஒரு எக்ஸைட்மெண்ட்ல உங்க எல்லாருமே வந்து வெல்கம் பண்றேன். அண்ட் ஸோ பிஃபோர் கோயிங் டு த செஷன் லெட்ஸ் கனெக்ட பத்தி ஒரு சின்ன ரொம்ப ஒரு இன்ட்ரடக்ஷன் மட்டும் கொடுத்துக்க விரும்புறேன். ஆக்சுவலா இது வந்து அமேசிங் ஹியூமன் பீயிங் அப்படின்ற ஒரு மெயின் இனிஷியேட்டிவ் கீழே இருக்கிற ஒரு சப் இனிஷியேட்டிவ்னு சொல்லலாம். அதாவது லெட்ஸ் கனெக்ட். ஸோ இந்த பிளாட்ஃபார்மை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு நம்ம நாலேஜை வந்து ஷேர் பண்றதுக்காக இந்த பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் வந்து நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றோம். ஸோ நம்ம மேம் மாதிரி இருக்கிற பீப்புள்ஸ் எல்லாரையுமே வந்து கால் பண்ணி கேதர் பண்ணி நம்மள மாதிரி இருக்கிற எல்லாரையுமே வந்து நம்ம வந்து கனெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். ஸோ இது மூலமா இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸை ஷேர் பண்றோம். ஆஸ் வெல் அஸ் இதே மாதிரி நம்ம வந்து இன்ஸ்பயர்டும் ஆக முடியும் இந்த செஷன்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு. ஸோ உதாரணத்துக்கு எனக்கு வந்து பேச வராது, அதிகமா பேசவே மாட்டேன். ஸோ அதனால இந்த மாதிரி செஷன்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ணி ஹோஸ்டிங் பண்ணி என்னோட ஸ்கில்ஸை வந்து நான் டெவலப் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். ஸோ அதே மாதிரி நம்ம எல்லாரும் வந்து நம்மளோட ஸ்கில்ஸை டெவலப் பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்கு இந்த பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் வந்து ஏதாவது ஒரு வகையில வந்து நமக்கு யூஸ் ஆகும். ஸோ நாலேஜ் டெவலப் பண்றது as well as நம்ம கனெக்ட் பண்றதுக்கு இந்த மாதிரிக்கெல்லாம் இந்த பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் வந்து யூஸ் ஆகும். பிஃபோர் கோயிங் டு தி செஷன் மேம் பத்தின ஒரு சின்ன இன்ட்ரோ. she is an her name is Kavya ma'am, and who was working as a student counselor, and she's also trained a student for developing as a soft skilled, and also she is an counselor at home place. She's an working associated with Your Eyes and Your Heart association, and this is a small intro about her. எஸ் மேம், ஆக்சுவலா டைம் வந்து 6:03 ஆயிடுச்சு. நான் ஓவர் டு யூ. நம்ம வந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிடலாம். பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் வந்து வந்துகிட்டு இருப்பாங்க.
Okay, Vignesh. Thank you, Vignesh, for the introduction. Okay, let's go into the procrastination session. Let me share my screen. Good evening, everyone. Warm welcome to the webinar, How to Overcome Procrastination. I'm Kavya. I'm a psychologist. I'm working as a student counselor at TIS and associate at Ears and Heart organization. It's a Malaysian organization where I am doing online counseling sessions, and I'm also freelance counselor at my place now, only or virtual counseling only because of this COVID-19 pandemic time. Yes, how to overcome procrastination. This is something new actually to say for many of the people. As Vignesh said, before procrastinating, let's go into the webinar and of how to overcome procrastination. Yes. What is procrastination? Can anyone say what is procrastination? You can use the chat box to type what is procrastination. It's not that you should write full sentence and all. You can use just one word or two. Resistance. Okay. I got the answer from postponing things from Gayatri. Postpone. Delaying work. Yes, good. Many people are coming up with answers. Very good to see. Styling. Yes, what you all said is true. Procrastination is an act or habit of delaying or postponing work, especially something which require immediate attention. Okay, usually we will postpone few things. Just a minute, sorry. Sorry for the interruption. There was echo in my voice, so I just checked. Yes, the act or habit of delaying or postponing work, especially something which require immediate attention. Yes, usually we will postpone work, right? That is okay sometimes if we postpone, but if we are postponing or delaying work which needs immediate attention, which is very much important, which we have to do now, means if we are delaying those work means it is called procrastination. And if we are delaying it for prolonged time, not 1 day, 2 days, if we are delaying that work means then it is called as procrastination. Yes, both the answers you all said is correct. I couldn't see your screen. Delphine. Delphine, can you see now? Everybody can see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
எஸ் மேம் கேட்குது நான் தெரியுது மேம் உங்களோட நெட்வொர்க் வந்து செக் பண்ணி பாருங்க மேம்.
என்னோடதா?
நோ நோ மேம் நான் அவங்களுக்கு சொன்னேன். யூ கண்டினியூ.
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே. Okay, so we just took next. What procrastination leads to? Means what will happen if you procrastinate the work? Any answers? You can use the chat box. What procrastination leads to? How it will affect you? Fear, yes. Imperfect, from Bhavani Vijayaraj, from Kirtana, fear. Anxiety, yes. Stress, failure, confusion, stress, nervous. Yes, very nice, very nice. Lot of answers are coming. Very nice. Yes, what you all said is true. It's 100% true. Procrastination leads to, see what and all procrastination leads to. Yes, lower our self-confidence, makes us to give up options, insecure feeling. Yes, you all listed what and all I said. See, you all know the answers, but still we procrastinate, right? Let's see why it is. Poor performance. Exactly. See, when we lead to procrastination, when we do procrastination, what will happen means we will miss the opportunities. No progress in there. Because of missing the opportunities, what might happen means we might not have progress in career and personal life. So what might happen is it might lead to loss of income and wealth. And because of this, we might not be happy for that. We won't be happy for that. And also what will happen is there will be too much of work to do at the end. For example, for the children, okay, they will be having too much of things to study, too much of things to write. And for adults like that, if they want to reach the targets, if they want to do some work, means everything will be there at the end of the day, means end of that time. So because of that, we will feel irritated. When we feel irritated means we can't do things properly. And too much of work is there means we can't give our 100%. So what will happen? We won't be happy about that work. So our self-satisfaction will be less and our confidence level comes down. So because of this, it might lead to anxiety. Many of them said, yes, it is 100% true. Insecure feeling, poor performance. See, lot of answers are coming. Very good. So if we feel poor self-satisfaction, if we feel less confidence, if we feel anxiety, means this might lead to mental problems. Okay, this might, I'm quoting, this might, I'm not saying this will, this might lead to mental problems. So better to avoid procrastination. And now let's see how to understand that you are procrastinating. Yes, I'm expecting answers from you again. How you will understand that you are procrastinating? How you will understand that some people are procrastinating the work? Delay, okay, not completing the work on time, okay, lame reasons, exactly, all are correct. Bhavani, Vijay, Subhadra, Vignesh, priority, right? Delay. Yes. Yeah, how to understand that you are procrastinating? Here are a few things I have listed. Not doing things for a long time. Okay, this you can see with the children. They won't be doing some work for the long time. For example, homework or reading and all. Okay, they will be postponing, giving something or the other reasons and forgetting to do. They will say that, Chu, I really forget to do the homework. I don't know how I forget to that homework. And here you can see that taking several breaks. Okay, here I will be giving more of my live examples. Like I might be using my son and my examples. I think everybody are okay with this, with those examples. Taking several breaks. Okay, when I ask him to do the homework, okay, what he will do is uh, he will just come to kitchen and say, Amma, something nice smell is coming. What you are cooking? By that time, I will be cleaning something actually to say. He will come and say, you are, some nice smell is coming. Are you cooking something? I'm really very hungry. He will come like that. And some other thing is when I'm doing work in the room and all, he will come in the inside the room and he will be simply walking from here and there. Okay, if I ask what's there means, I have doubt in homework. What is that? Right from that time you are roaming here and there. You could have asked means, no, I thought you were very busy, so I thought not to disturb you. See the reason. One more reason is one of another one I can give is I will be doing something in the kitchen and he will come and stand in the corner. He will be standing for a long time and ask, what happened? Did you finish the homework? No, I'm really very thirsty. I came here to drink water. To drink water, he will be waiting in the kitchen for more than uh, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. He will be standing in the kitchen itself. If I ask only, he will say that he is thirsty. Okay, when I ask him to do writing work, all these answers will come. And when it comes to adults, for us and all, what we will do? Usually, the picture itself says, right? We will just open, we will check social media or phone. We know, okay, that if we get the message, we will get notification. Whether we get the notification or not, sometimes we will keep on checking our phones. So that it's like taking several breaks. This is also a form of taking breaks. And when it comes to office work and all, people will go for tea breaks. They will take many tea breaks actually to say than usual. Let's see. Here you can see that one more picture is starting a work and not completing. Yes, here the example I can give is my own example. Okay, I started to read Bhagavad Gita 15 days back itself. I just started. Okay, I'm yet to complete it. It means I know it's a big book. I'm yet to complete even the introduction. See, I'm procrastinating reading the Bhagavad Gita. And postponing by giving some reasons. It's like it's very boring. The content is boring, and also consoling yourself for not doing the work. It means it's okay. The content itself is boring. That's why I couldn't do it. It's too big. It's too difficult. Like that. So yes, I got the answer from Vignesh. Yes, mostly social media. Yes, true. Right? Yes, hope you understand about the procrastination. Yeah, we already saw the reasons of procrastination, right? But still, again, why one more slide is coming for the causes of procrastination? Do you think these are the only reasons for procrastination? No. Still more reasons are there. Yes, taking too much time to relax. Yes, that is a kind of taking breaks actually. Yes, what is that? Uh, yes, we understood that for the previous slide. Now we can see the causes of procrastination. Yes, what are the few causes of procrastination? Are fear of failure. Okay, fear of failure. How you can relate this? I can give you a very good example for this. My cousin did not attend the exam actually because of the fear of failure. Okay, that too masters, MSc exams. I was just wondering what it happened, why he didn't. He said, "Oh no, I was really felt anxious. I was really afraid that I might fail." That was the answer given by him. I think that because of that fear, I think he haven't completed his masters. Okay, that is the one of the good example to say that because of the fear of failure also people will procrastinate and being 100% perfectionist. And some people will say do or die. Some people will say, right, it's like if you are doing, you should do 100% perfect or else you should not do. And this is also a cause for procrastination. And if we think that it's boring, if sometimes the content will be really boring and we won't be having interest in that work, okay, and if we dislike that work, if we don't like, we will procrastinate. Okay, for this example is boring. My son used to always say it's really boring to do writing work. I really don't want to do writing work. You give me reading work, I will do reading work. It's really very, very boring to do writing work and I don't want to do writing work. This is the example he will give. And dislike. For this, I can give my example. I don't like to do with the dishes. So I always procrastinate in that work. Okay. And here you no focus. When we don't have focus on the things which we do, we will procrastinate. Now you can see in the picture itself. So we will just open and we will just think on somewhere else. Means something we don't know. Our mind will be wandering like anything. Okay. And no proper goal. For this, I can give a simple example to say where the people who will cook, okay, they can relate this very much. For example, every day I have to cook. I know that. This is my own example. Every day I have to cook. I know that in the morning. So my goal is the goal for that time is to cook food. But there is no proper goal, right? What to cook? If I know what to cook means, you believe or not, I will do cooking, morning breakfast, lunch, everything. Okay, for example, morning, let me do chapati and cauliflower gravy. Afternoon, let me do lemon rice, curd rice, and some vegetable. If I have this in mind, I will do the very fast. Within 1 hour, I can do everything. Even you can do, if I, some non-veg or something else, if I have proper goal, if I have clarity about that, I will do it. If I don't have clarity means, you know what will happen? Some breakfast I will do. At least 15 minutes I will waste in thinking what to do, what to do, what to do. Okay, breakfast I will do something. Afternoon, it may go till 12:30. I will be keep on thinking if I don't to fix what to do. See, this is the some simple example to say. And a distraction. If we have been distracted, while you can see that while reading or doing some work and all, if we get the message from the phone, we will feel very much distracted by that time. For children, you can say that TV sound. Okay, they will just come and stand behind us and they will be watching TV, as though they will say, oh, no, 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 I came here, I had some doubt. My son will say, he will be standing and watching TV for 10 minutes, I will be watching him. Okay, he will say, no, no, I had doubt, just came to clarify the doubt. He will say that. Okay, do you think these are only the causes of procrastination? No. And these are the basic causes of procrastination. And the main cause is faulty train of the mind. Yeah, it's something new, right? When we say that faulty training of the mind is the cause of procrastination. Yes, if you all agree, you can give thumbs up or you can chat in the box. I will just explain you how to train our brain, how it will be. Okay, faulty train in the brain. Yes. Okay. If we procrastinate, if we delay our work, if we postpone our work for more than 2 to 3 times, it's like our mind will think that this work is not very much important. So indirectly, we will train our mind that towards that work is not important. Okay. So what will happen because of that? Because since we are procrastinating 2 or 3 times, it's like training our mind not to give much importance to that work. What will happen if we train our mind not to give much importance to that work? Obviously, we will forget. We will tend to forget. So that is why you can see in the previous slide that forgetting things. So I really forget to do the homework. I really forget to do the things. Why it will happen? Because we are not giving importance to those things. Example to say that we might meet many people during the travel. Okay, we won't remember everyone, right? We 99% we won't remember if they are strangers and all. But the people whom we are communicating, we are in contact. Like it's not that contact only through talking or something or the other, reading their messages, reading their WhatsApp status, something. If we are in contact in some or the other way means, so it's like we are reminding our brain, we are remembering them, sorry. So we will remember them better, not the strangers. This is also the same way. Okay, when the things are, this is also the same way. Okay, when we do the things first, when we are doing the things continuously means we are training our brain to do the work. If we don't train the brain means, if we just procrastinate means we are training our brain to forget the things. Initially what will happen is initially our brain will remind us to do the things. But what will happen is we will just train our brain to forget the things. This is how faulty train in our mind will happen. How it happens? It appears in the form of thoughts. What our thoughts will say. It's okay, let me do later. I'm having a lot of time. For example, for exams for children, what they will say. For doing homework also. My son used to say this actually to say. It's okay, Monday only I have to give. Today is Friday only. See, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 2 days are there. Okay, I will do later. I will do tomorrow. For sure, always say, for sure after this I will do. Okay, this is what the thing. For that, what we should do? Instead of saying that, no, let me do it now. I have to do it now. It's like our training our brain to do now itself. It's like, what to say, saying dialogue to our mind that I have to do now itself. When it comes to emotions, emotions will be overwhelming, right? Sometimes overpowering. Like it's too boring. It's too difficult. I don't like it. These are the emotions which because of these emotions, we can't do what we have to do for this. If we feel that these are very much difficult tasks, means we can break the task into smaller so that it is attainable. And also, while if you don't like the work to do, what you can do is you have to just you can trick your mind. Just be neutral. Instead of saying I don't like, you just be neutral about that. You just be neutral about that subject. You just be neutral about that work. And while doing that work, you just have a smile in your face and do. It's just like tricking your mind that you are happily doing. Okay, circumstances. When it comes to circumstances, yeah, because of this COVID, I can't do. Because of this COVID, um, I am not able to do. These are the reasons, few reasons we used to listen recent days. So we have to overcome that circumstances by our willpower. Hope you all are understand till this. Yes, thank you very much. Yes, now how the mind works. Our mind works on pleasure, immediate pleasure. Okay, then what we have to do? So since our mind is working on immediate pleasure, relief, happiness, we have to tell our mind that I will be working on long-term happiness, long-term pleasure. For example, to say that when we are having, when the exam has been postponed, for example, to say, we will feel very happy, right? We will feel very relaxed. We will feel, by that time, we will feel some relaxation, relief and all. But what will happen? After again few days or few minutes, after few days, again we will get the same anxiety or same thing. If we not yet prepared, but still we will face the same thing. So this is just a small example to say. So if we do the work by now itself, what will happen is we will feel relaxed for that time we might be feeling little stress, but after doing the work, really we will feel very relaxed and we will feel very happy. So our mind will always work on immediate pleasure. Don't think of that. You should always work on, we should train our brain, we should tell our brain that I will work on long-term pleasure. So this is the interesting quote. You all might have seen this quote. Be bored of being bored, because being bored is boring. When I saw this, I just think of my son only came to my mind, because he used to say that you it's really boring. because I am really bored. He used to say that the things and all. Okay. And next here is one more question for everyone. Is procrastination is good or not? Yes, you can use the chat box. Is procrastination is good or not? Yes, I can see many people are answering this. Based on the situation, yes. Based on the work, no. Mostly no. Yes, not good. Good. No. Yes, procrastination is based on the situation. It is good and it is bad also. How? Procrastination is good if you are procrastinating the things which are not important. For example, for students, you can say that, sorry, really sorry for that. For example, to say that watching TV. If you procrastinate watching TV, if for us, procrastinating, sorry, just give me a moment. I'm really sorry for that. Procrastination is good if you are procrastinating the unimportant things. Okay, procrastination is bad if you are procrastinating important things. So you should decide which one you should procrastinate, which one you should not. Okay, hope you understood that, uh, how the brain works and how you can do work on procrastination, overcoming procrastination. Yes. And we are to the end of the session, how to overcoming procrastination. Yes, what here I have did is I just consolidated all the points and I'm saying, yes, overcoming procrastination. It's like going in the flow of your work. How you can understand that you are going in the flow? Means some work you will be doing, while doing means without any whatever distraction will come, we won't be feel bored or anything. We will just go in the flow of the work, some work and all. How to get that flow? Means if our subconscious mind and conscious mind are in sequence, then the flow will come. How to get that sequence? Means, for example, to say just by changing your thoughts, emotions, and overcoming circumstances. For example, to say that our subconscious mind will say that you have to do the work now, you have to do reading now. But what we will do is consciously, what we will say is, it's okay, I am having still 7 days more for exams. I am having 3 more days to do my writing work. I am having time. It's okay, I can do later also. So there is a conflict in subconscious mind and conscious mind. So subconscious mind will say that you have to do it now. It's important. But conscious mind will say that it's okay, I can do it later. So if both are in sequence, if both says the same thing, means then you will go in the flow. You can go in the flow by changing the thoughts. We just went how you can change your thoughts, emotions, and how you can work on your emotions, how to overcome the circumstances and all. Next, change your work style. What will happen during this time, and not only during this time, many people won't have routine. Routine means that they won't follow routine also. Like how? Means they won't sleep on time, they won't wake up on time. They will sleep late, very late, actually to say beyond 12 o'clock and all. They will wake up late. or sometimes they will wake up early also. So this will also a cause for procrastination. And few more is focusing on work, not on socialization. What we will do mostly is instead of focusing on work, we will do focus on socialization. Like nowadays, social media, we are using a lot of social media after this lockdown in order to get socialized, since we can't go outside and all. In the office and all, what we will do is when we don't have focus, instead of focusing on work, we'll just go and chat with our friends or colleagues or something. And many a times what we will do is we will focus on the result. Okay, this might also be a cause for procrastination, because we might be having some anxiety when we think of the results. Instead of that, work on that process, how I should study for that exam. Instead of thinking of the results, you can work on the process, how to go with that, how to do that. And you should think that you are working for yourself. Okay, if you think that you are working for somebody else, for your boss or any other thing, any other person, then there won't be so much of love in doing your work. You will always think that your brain thinks that you are working for somebody else. So it's better to say that you are working for yourself and involve another person. This is very good point to say, that involving another person. We always involve in our kids' work. How means we will always ask our kids to do the writing work. We'll ask, right, whether you finished your work, whether you finished your homework, whether you finished your um, reading work or something, assignments and all. In the same way for us also, if we are procrastinating something, for example, I said I am procrastinating reading Bhagavad Gita. Before this, I was procrastinating reading books also. So what I did was I involved in the book readers club. Okay, I enrolled myself in the book readers club. So many people are there in the book readers club. So what they are doing is they are also reading and posting the takeaways. When they are doing that, this motivated me to also do reading. So nowadays I'm reading more and more. And also, since I'm procrastinating Bhagavad Gita, I just asked one of the person to involved in my work. It's not that they have to push you to do the work, just the intimation, or just after you finish your work, you can intimate to that person, like that. For children, if most of the times what will happen is, if we intimate them, okay, if we intimate them, we will be involved in their work, right? They might feel little frustrated for that time also. They might be feeling bored, because I just see this in my son nowadays. So I'm just thinking how I can involve his friends in doing this work. So I think this idea works for other people also, to just work on that. And being persistent in work. If we are not persistent in work, for example, if we do 4 days work, and after that if we take a long break, means we are not persistent in doing the work. Being persistent means without taking breaks, much breaks. 1 day break, it's okay, but it's not advisable to take more than 2 days of break when we are doing some work. Okay, and doing important things first. As you said, that when you do the important things first, it's like training our brain that this work is very much important for us. So automatically our brain will think that this is important. So it's also not only that training our mind, it also that our important things will be done first, so that if we don't do the least important things work also, it doesn't matter much. And having clear goal. Yes, I already said that having clear goal, the example of cooking, how the cooking will works when we are having clear goal. In the same way, when we are having clear goal, our mind will think wonder to finish that work. Okay, it will work in all possible ways to finish that goal. For to if you want to eat ice cream, means you have just think of the situation when you are really want to eat ice cream. I'm just giving an example. What will we do? We'll just go to the nearby shop. We will just go check with the what's that, all the delivery apps, Zomato, Swiggy, Dunzo, all these things we will check, right? Without any procrastinating, without anything. We will just check, or else nothing is there. We will just make by ourselves. At least we will just make a popsicle ice cream and we will eat that. So this is how these are the few points of the overcoming procrastination. Yes, now I am done with my webinar. Actually, to say I am done. What and all I want to say, I just finished it. And thank you everyone for attending this webinar. I thank you, amazing human being, for giving me the opportunity. Thank you, Sarvesh, for nominating me. Thank you, Vignesh, Nancy, Divakar, Karthik, Anbu. So many people are there as a team who work behind this webinar. Thank you very much for them. And I will thank my friends, and I will thank my mentor, Dr. Ravi Samuel, for giving me confidence in doing the webinar, and my friends who are my backbones, who supported me. And this is my Facebook page. You can follow me on Facebook page, and this is my email ID, kavyapsychologist@gmail.com, or MyTrust Counseling, where you can mail me if you want counseling services or something related to this, or if you want me to host webinar on your platform, you can contact me for this. Thank you very much. And if you have any doubts, means you can ask. I will answer that. And if I know the answer, I will answer. If I don't know the answer, you can just drop your email ID or contact number. I'll just find the answer and get back to you. Yes, if you have any doubts, or if you want to comment something, if you want to say something, you can unmute yourself and say.
எஸ் பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ், உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தாலும் இல்லைன்னா ஏதாவது கொஷின்ஸ் கேட்கணுனாலும் நீங்கள் வந்து இப்போ கேட்கலாம், யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ.
ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கா யாருக்காவது? Any doubts or any comments? Anything?
I don't have any doubt, but I would like to say that giving a different point of view of procrastination, generally it's a different topic, and you have given a clear picture of what is procrastination and whether it is good or not, and how to overcome procrastination. So for me, it is like I've taken few points so that I'll work on it, and as of now I don't have a doubt. On the whole, it is a very good webinar. Thank you so much, Kavya.
Thank you, Gayatri. Thank you for your comment. Anyone, if you have questions, you can use the chat box also. You can. Is being too perfection is bad? Here Arya has asked the question. It's like, if you want to be 100% perfect, means what will happen is, actually to say, we will always try for 100% perfect. If we don't become 100% perfect, means what will happen means we will feel low. If we are feeling low, means our self-esteem will be decline. Okay, so that we will feel that we are not good for anything. So this might lead to that not good for anything. So it's better to avoid being 100% perfect. We can go for perfection. So it's the perfection should be based on how you should be. It's not based on how others are looking at you. For example, to say, this procrastination webinar has been taken before by mentor Dr. Ravi Samuel. Okay, If I feel that I have to be perfect like him, means I could never ever done this webinar, because I can't be perfect like him, because he has so much of experience in doing that, and also everybody has their own styles. Okay, so accept your faults also, because acceptance leads a way long to go. I believe in that. Arya, hope you got the answer. Do you have any doubts in this? Okay, any other
Thank
questions?
you, Kavya. It was very well. Thank you, Kavya.
Yes, Yasmin.
It was very well explained and clear. Don't have any much of don't have any much of questions over here, because I think you have very well, slowly and clearly look into the
Okay, yes. Thank you very much for that.
just try to know with and you're being a role model. You have said it on your own. Thank you. More sessions with you. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that. Thank you very much for your comments. I can see the comments in the chat box also. Thank you for this wonderful session, Manju Prabhu. Thank you, Manju Prabhu, for your comment. Any doubts regarding this? You can ask question. Do I left with any questions? Deepa Devi, nice sessions. Thank you, Deepa.
Hi, Kavya ma'am.
Hi.
Very good evening. This is Gayatri.
Yes.
Okay, I have one question.
Okay.
So, okay, in our life, most of the times we are facing that we are not interesting to do some works. Okay.
Hmm.
For example, like even in school days study, I like one subject, but I don't like another subject. But how to train our mind to accept that subject, or accept the things, and how to train that to love to do or like to do for long
Yes.
lasting, because if I'm not getting interest on one thing, obviously I will quit with in few minutes or few hours itself. So
Yes.
how to develop that mindset, how to
Hmm.
train my mind?
Yes, this is a very good question actually to say, Gayatri, because when you don't have interest in one subject, if you get less marks, means the total of your scores percentage will decrease, right? So
Mm.
it's you should focus on all the subjects. For this, what you can do is you just be neutral on this subject. Whether if you don't like that subject, means stop saying to yourself that you don't like that subject. Okay, you should not say in any time that I don't like this subject, because my example to say that I was very good in maths, but I was not good in social. Okay, I scored 93 in maths, I scored just 78 in social. So my total score has been decreased when percentage has been decreased. So
Huh.
by that time, I don't know that I should not say that I don't like that subject. If I knew that, I would have not done this. In the same way, don't say to yourself that you don't like that subject. Instead, be neutral. You just accept that that subject is you don't like it, but don't say oftenly every time or that. You just say that, just be neutral on this subject, and just while reading that subject, have a smile on your face. Tell to your mind that you have this subject is also important, this subject is also very much important for my life, this subject is important to score the marks. Have a smile and do that. It's just like tricking your mind. When you smile
Okay.
for see, for example, when you're talking itself, uh, if you are not happy, means if you sit like this, and if you talk means our you just sit like this and you just be, oh, if you do like this means we will feel little low. In the same way, if we sit and smile means we will feel really bright. You can just stand in front of the mirror and you can work on that. So, is that clear, Gayatri? Do you have?
Yeah, Kavya, ma'am. And another thing also,
Mhm.
okay, how psychology helps to develop our lifestyle. Because before psychology, after psychology, tell your experience. I am very curious about your experience. Okay.
Okay.
You studied like psychology. Okay. Before that,
Mm,
how
mm,
you was facing your lifestyle, seeing your
mm,
lifestyle, and
mm.
after that, how your lifestyle is. Uh, yeah, yeah.
Yes, I understood your questions. Before psychology means I can say that I used to complain a lot about the circumstances.
Huh.
On the on the circumstances, on the people, I used to blame myself sometimes and all. I used to have more of irrational beliefs and all. Okay, I used to just thinking why my son is behaving like this. He's torturing me like anything. Sometimes I used to think before I used to think a lot about that because I don't know how to handle him few things and all because I couldn't understand his emotions by that time and all. And after this, even if I get frustrated sometimes also because of this, but I will understand that okay, he's just a kid. He needs more time to understand. I have to understand him more. I should give him the space for him to express. And also, I understood that kids learn through our behavior. It's not through what we say. It's through how we act. And because of this, uh, to say that my just my TV time has been decreased. Decreased means like how to say this. I will totally forget to watch TV at all. To say
Hmm.
that is one of the thing, and I started to accept the person the way they are instead of saying giving that I don't like the person is not good bad and all. I used to just started to accept the person. Okay, the person, none of the person is good or bad. It's based on the situation, is based on our needs, is based on the way we want, it's based on how we think we will judge the person. So I stopped judging the person and I started to accept the way they are most of the times.
Okay. Nice, nice. Thanks, ma'am. Thanks for sharing your experience. Yeah, I got.
Yes.
No, I got the answer. Yeah,
Okay.
thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Vignesh, சொல்லுங்க.
Yes, ma'am. I'm audible, ma'am.
Yes, Vignesh, you
Uh,
are audible. கேக்குது.
yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. May I share my screen, please?
Yes, Vignesh, you can share.
Yes, thank you. Yes, ma'am. Thank you for this wonderful session, ma'am. Actually, இது இந்த கான்செப்ட்ல என்னன்னு தெரியாம தான் நான் உள்ள வந்தேன். ஆனா இப்போ ஓவரால் இதுல நிறையவே பிளாட்ஸ் நான் எதிர்பார்த்ததோட ரொம்ப அதிகமான பிளாட்ஸே வந்து எனக்கு கிடைச்சிது. ஸோ how to reduce that emotions, how to control that, இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய விஷயத்த வந்து கத்துக்க முடிஞ்சுது. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. May I ask a small question, ma'am, as a host?
Yes, Vignesh, you can ask.
எஸ் மேம். இந்த 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 நாலேஜை வந்து எங்ககிட்ட ஷேர் பண்ணதை நினைச்சு நீங்க எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்றீங்கன்ற மாதிரி உங்களோட கருத்து வந்து சொன்னீங்கன்னா கொஞ்சம் நல்லா.
கொஸ்டின் கொஞ்சம் கிளியரா கேக்குறீங்களா?
எஸ் மேம். இந்த டாபிக்கான நாலேஜ் மேம், procrastination.
Just a minute,
So,
Vignesh. May I take over the session?
yes, okay.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. So, just
Yes,
asking your feedback about your experience in this session of sharing your knowledge, your feedback.
Yes, actually, it's I thank very much for amazing human being for giving such an opportunity. Uh, because when I came to know, well, let me just say a few words about AHB. Okay, AHB is initiative by the people, Divakar and Divakar, and he's doing a very good job. In order to do this webinar, I think it's not only me, so many people are there behind this to organize. So many people have worked hard actually to say in making the poster, in making the videos, in making doing the social media work, marketing, everything. They have done very good job actually to say. And it's a platform to say it's a non-judgmental platform. It's not that you have to talk only this topic. You can talk whatever you want. This was really very much interesting to say. And when they asked me to come and do the session on or some session, I just suggested few topics. In that, they said that procrastination will be very nice topic. So I thought, why I can't use this opportunity to do this, so that I will also have exposure and many people will get benefited from this. So it was very nice. They organized very well. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm very much happy to be a part of this program.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I would like you to nominate 3 of your friends to take up sessions. Would you like to, ma'am?
Yes. I now itself should I do?
No, ma'am. You can take your time.
Yes.
You can contact Divakar or any of our teammates.
Okay. Now means I would like to nominate Gayatri and Yasmin. If they are interested, they can do with the webinar.
Sure, ma'am. I will drop the registration link and the group link. So
Yes.
whoever is interested in taking your session or whoever is willing to nominate your friends, you can kindly contact us. And thank you so much, ma'am. It was really a wonderful session, as everyone said. And that was
Thank you.
really an eye-opener too, for for me at least.
Thank you, Bhavani, for the nice feedback. And if you want to do some other sessions, if you have any topics you want to do also, you can uh, say what topics you want to do. Also, I can do if any of the participants have any idea, if you want to do any topics, the webinar means you can just use the chat box for the topics, or else you can mail me also, or you can inform uh, AHB people also if you want more sessions on this. Not on this means not on procrastination, or some other things like mental health, parenting, love languages of children, stress, anxiety, emotional, how to be emotional intelligence regarding that and all. If you have, if you want any of the sessions, you can contact me also, or you can contact Amazing Human Being. They will do the needful. Thank you very much. Session
Yes,
on.
ma'am. Thank you for ma'am. Akka?
Yes, Signesh.
Yes, yes, Manju
Okay.
Prabhu, you have said, sorry, handling teens, their mindset, mental health. Okay, I will just note down these things. Whatever sessions you are saying, I will just note down. Yes, Vignesh, you can continue.
Yeah, this is the poster for tomorrow's session. So whoever is interested, you can contact for links. So that is what has to be communicated.
Okay.
And thank you to whoever is present over here in spending your valuable time and your space in listening to ma'am's session.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much.
So if there
Thank
is
you for
any other queries, you can ask or we can end the session, ma'am.
Yes, yeah. If they don't have any queries, means we can end the session. Yes, I think everyone is fine with this.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for this fulfilled session. Thank you.
Thank you very much. If you have any queries and all, you can contact me through the mail ID. I think you saw in my last thing. Teenage parenting. Yes, many are asking about teenage parenting. Let me work on that. Thank you very much. Yes, Vignesh, Bhavani, shall we end the session?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.